Hello dear students. Let's see one more example on pointer. Now just check in this code, some code is given to us and we are asked what is the output of this code. Surely we are going to revise the fundamentals on pointers that we saw in the first two videos. Just check, to check the output of this code, we have to run the program from main and check the first line. There are two integer variables x and y declared having value 10 and 20. Assuming that every integer consumes 2 bytes, we can show x is stored in the memory with 2 byte location and y is also stored in the memory as 2 bytes. So as I have shown, x and y in the memory are stored using 2 bytes, 2 consecutive bytes. And we have assumed that the address at which x is stored is 100. Basically 100, 101 are the 2 bytes which x occupies, and 200, 201 are the 2 bytes which y occupies. Also, value of x shown is 10 and value of y shown is 20. The next line over here declares two pointers, p1 and p2, both of int type. So we have shown in the memory p1 and p2 are the 2 pointers occupying 2 bytes each. We saw in the earlier video that any kind of pointer occupies always 2 bytes, and we have assumed that pointer itself is stored at 500, 501 and 600, 601. Okay, let's see the next two lines. P1 is equal to and x, P2 is equal to and y. Read this as P1 stores address of x, P2 stores address of y. So P1 in the diagram stores 100. Check that. P1 is storing address of x is 100, and P2 stores 200. Check that. P2 is storing address of y, which is 200. Now we can say that P1 points to x and P2 points to y. Also remember, if P1 points to x, if P1 points to x, then asterisk P1 means value of x. In fact, you can read this as asterisk P1 is same as x. That is, asterisk P is another name given to x. So in the rest of the code, wherever asterisk P1, asterisk P1 is same as x. So in the rest of the code, wherever you read, wherever you see asterisk P1 written, I advise that asterisk P1 written anywhere in the program, you read it as x. Hello, look at the next line. Just check. What are we printing? We are printing 4 integers because 4% are given. And what are we printing? We are printing x, y, and what are we printing? Come on, x, y, x, y. This is also x and y. You might say, no sir, this is asterisk P1, asterisk P2. But come on, tell me, what do you mean by asterisk P1? Asterisk P1 means value to which P1 points, and that is nothing but value of x. And asterisk P2 means value to which P2 points, and value to which P2 points is value of y. So these two notations, asterisk P1 and asterisk P2, should not be now read as asterisk P1 and asterisk P2. You can read it as x and y. In fact, what printf is going to print is value of x, value of y, value of x, value of y. So the first output I am writing here on top is going to be 6, 7, 10, 20, 10, 20. Now, have a look at next line. Very interesting. How do you read this? You read this as x should become equal to x plus y. What? Yes, exactly. This is what the line means. Because what is asterisk P1 written on the left here? It is nothing but value of x, because asterisk p1 means value to which p1 points. So value of x should become equal to value of x plus value of y, isn't it? So x will become x plus y. That means x, value of x will become 10 plus 20, because y is 20. So x now is no more 10. X will become 30. I am overwriting here. X is now storing a value 30. Just tell me, if x is 30, then what is asterisk p1? I repeat, asterisk p1 means value of x. So asterisk p1 is also 30. So the next printf is printing again 4 numbers, 4 integers. And what is it printing? X, y, what is this? What is this? Asterisk p1? X, yes. This time you are correct. And what is asterisk p2? Y. So it is again printing x, y, x, y. What is x now? It is updated to 30. But y is still 20. Check the diagram. And what is asterisk p1? Value to which p1 points. That is x. And y is asterisk p2 is y, which is still 20. Have a look at next slide. Asterisk p2 is equal to asterisk p1. Oh, no, 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 don't even read it like this, because you know asterisk p2 is y. So y should become equal to x, because asterisk p1 is x. That is, value to which p2 points, this line I will again write it here, asterisk p2 is equal to asterisk p1. How do you read this? Value to which p2 points, whose value is this? Y, should become equal to value to which p1 points, whose value is that? X. So it clearly says y should become equal to x. So y, which was 20, will now become equal to x. X is 30, so y is also 30. And if y is 30, what is asterisk p2? Asterisk p2 is also 30. Now the next line here is printing 4 integers again. Whose value are you printing? X, y, asterisk p1 means x, asterisk p2 means y. So the output, so the next output is going to be x, which is 30. Y has also become 30. And asterisk p1 means x, which is 30. And asterisk p2 means y, which is also 30. Okay, what's the next line now? Asterisk p1 is equal to x plus asterisk p1. Please don't read this in the pointer notation, but you say that asterisk p1 means same as x. So value of x should become equal to value of x plus value of x, because asterisk p1 means x. So x, which was 30, will become 30 plus 30. So x will become 60 now. And then we are printing 4 integers, and we are printing x, which is 60, y, which is still 30. Check the diagram. Asterisk p1 means x, which is 60, and asterisk p2 means y, which is 30. So the last line of the output is going to be 60, 30, 60, 30. I hope you have got this idea about how a pointer stores address, how a pointer points to a variable, and what happens when a pointer points to a variable. Asterisk followed by the pointer name means that variable itself. So any changes you make using asterisk pointer name affects the variable value itself. 1 or 2 more programs we will see in the coming videos, which will solidify our concepts on pointers before we go to any more advanced topics. Thank you very much.